welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be going over Pampas grass and care tips. Pampas grass is, I think it's going to be like the new trend for spring and summer, just because it's low maintenance, it's easy to care for, and you cannot kill it. Like, it doesn't need water, it doesn't need light, you can throw it anywhere in a dark corner and it'll be okay. So, care tips. When you get them, they're gonna be like 6 feet, 10 feet tall, and you're obviously gonna want to trim them down. So these are sleeves. I hope you can see that. Like these little notches, these are the sleeves. What I want to say is bear in mind that when you trim them back, it's gonna like slide off like that, and you just want to be really careful of that because the like this fluffy part here will start to fall off. So the sleeves are actually holding it in place, so you want to be mindful of where you're trimming, so that way you're not trimming it too far back and lose its integrity. So when I got this, it was already pre-treated. Now if yours isn't pre-treated, what they recommended that you do is you want to blast it with some hot air from your blow dryer, and that's gonna like fluff it up a lot more and give it more shape and liveliness. And then rearrange it to whoever it is that you want in your vase, and then just spritz it with hairspray, and that's going to keep it in place, and it's going to reduce the amount of shedding that you could potentially have. Have I noticed any shedding? Not really. I mean, it's not like I shake it like I do my fiddle leaf fig every day, but I don't know, I think it's pretty good. I think it's just the hairspray that that was used. Maybe extra hold. Now, huge shout out to Estrella and Decor. She got me this bad boy right here. So when I first saw this bouquet, I fell in love with it, and I had asked her to put in this like Anaha gold leaf. Let me see if I can pull it out, because I just felt like it pulled everything together. And it's just flashy. I don't know, it suits my style a lot more. She actually delivered this to me. Unfortunately, I wasn't home to see her and to thank her, so I'm thanking you now. Thank you so much. I absolutely love this, and I wish I had taken a picture of how much thought she put into wrapping it up and delivering it, because it was like the cutest little packaging. I find that when sellers take the time to handwrite something or to attach a little like tag and use like cute paper, it's just it lets me know that they put some thought and love into their own products, which is why like I reached out to her and asked her to custom make this for me. So in here we have Pampas. Someone can message me on Instagram and let me know how to properly pronounce it. We're gonna work with what we have today, okay? So we have some Pampas grass, dried hydrangeas, and different color bunny tails. Like, come on, they're so cute. And baby's breath, I think. She did list them for me. It's just I can't pronounce some of them, so I'll list it for you down below. So as I had mentioned, you don't need to water these guys. You don't need to worry too much about them. They're very low maintenance, and it just gives you like a little bit of a vibe to your little area. Oh, let me show you this. Like, how cute is that? It just, I don't know, there's just something about it. It's so simple, but it just ties everything in together and just brings me so much joy. So thank you again, Estrella and Decor. I totally appreciate you. You guys, if you're in the GTA, she delivers for free. At least as of right now, she delivers for free. But otherwise, shipping was only like $10 depending on where it is that you are. So guys, definitely check out Estrella and Decor. She's super sweet, very easy to work with. I have like 0 complaints. Even when she ships it to you, it's like shipped in a big box and it's packed really well, so you're not too concerned about it getting squished. However, I will say though, because it took me a little bit longer to get my bouquet because I was working, the hydrangea was kind of squished a little bit, but honestly, I just kind of like let it sit there for a little bit and fluffed it up with my hands, and it seems to be okay. Don't really have any complaints other than, yeah, no, I don't have any complaints except I want more. So check her out, send her a message. I think you can message her on Instagram. Just let her know what it is that you're looking for. She's very easy to work with. The fact that she delivers for free in the GTA is a plus for us Torontonians. And yeah, I hope this was fun and helpful and inspired you guys to be more boho chic. So I'll see you guys later and have a good one. Bye.